Most languages have special exception classes. In Go, error is just an interface. The error type in Go is a built-in interface with exactly one method, error, which returns a string. That is the entire contract. Any type that defines this method automatically satisfies the interface. Go uses implicit, structural typing. There is no implements keyword, no class hierarchy, and no special base type to extend. To create a custom error type, define a struct with whatever context you need, then add an error method returning a string. Here, validation error holds a field name and a message. Once you have that error method, your type satisfies the interface. You can return it anywhere Go expects an error. No registration, no declaration, just the method. For simple cases, use errors.New or fmt.Errorf to create error values directly. To add context to an existing error, wrap it with fmt.Errorf and the %w verb. Then use errors.Is to check whether a specific error value appears anywhere in the wrapped chain, and errors.As to extract a specific concrete error type from that chain. The error interface is just one method, error string, but it powers all of Go's flexible composable error handling. Follow for more Go interview answers. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.